Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to keep their Facebook accounts secure and private. With privacy concerns on the rise, it's crucial to know how to adjust your Facebook settings to ensure your information is only visible to those you trust. Let's get started on how to make your new Facebook account private. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you've launched the app, you'll want to find the menu icon. This is represented by 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that icon to access a range of options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that option, and then proceed to tap on Settings. This will take you to the heart of your privacy controls. Now it's time to adjust your privacy settings. Look for an option called Privacy Checkup. Give it a tap, and this will guide you through reviewing and adjusting your privacy settings. Under Who Can See What You Share, you'll want to set your posts, profile information, and friends list visibility to either Only Me or Friends, depending on your preference. Next, in the section How People Can Find and Contact You, make sure to set options like Who Can Send You Friend Requests and Who Can Look You Up using your email or phone number to Friends or Only Me. Finally, let's lock down your profile for added security. Head over to your profile, tap on the 3 dots located next to Add to Story. From this menu, select Lock Profile. By doing this, your profile will be visible only to your friends, giving you an additional layer of privacy. And that's it. You've successfully made your new Facebook account private, ensuring your online presence stays secure. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.